Thanks so much for joining us. It's time to share a cup. My name is Joel Villafana. This is A Cup of Joe. Are you feeling the Christmas vibe? Are you feeling it? So let me give you a quick story before I roll out my very first recipe here, courtesy of the folks at Great Foods, as we get your weekend off to a great start. Christmas, as a boy growing up for me, was really about food. When I look back at my life, I really think my love for food started in my early childhood days. And this dish I'm going to do, very, very quick and very simple, was really what it was about, because I would go to the fridge, go to the table, and always want to pick a piece of ham, take a little bit of pastel. In those days, apples and grapes, you only got around Christmas time, so pick a grape, pick up, and it was really whole day, that was my vibes. I was picking at food whole day around Christmas Eve, Christmas Day box. I looked forward to picking at all the different delicacies my parents would have done for Christmas time. That's what it was about for me. So this dish that I'm going to do is a very simple ham roll. And it's cream cheese, and you could season it however you so desire and flavor it however you so desire. I'm just going to do it very, very simply this morning to show you how simple. You could lay it on the table, and it's really just about picking it up in your mouth and move on. Take a drink, relax, whatever you do on Christmas morning. I have simple Great Foods cooked ham. They call this ham for ya bun. This ham I am really using to create a ham roll that you can just, as I said, very, very simple, very easy pick up. So I'm starting with my base of cream cheese. Just want to get the cream cheese all mashed up. Cream cheese is really like the perfect base to just add flavor. It's something that's bland, and you could add as much flavor as you want to cream cheese. So you get the cream cheese all kind of just mashed up here. To my cream cheese, I'm adding about a half cup of sour cream. And I mix the sour cream and the cream cheese together, so I get that nice creamy texture happening. At this stage, I'll season. So some salt, pepper, and I'm adding some Parmesan cheese. You could add the fresh Parmesan cheese if you wish. I really liked the store-bought Parmesan cheese for this because I really just want the Parmesan cheese to disappear and just flavor it. I don't want it too bulky in this cream cheese mixture. So I kind of mix everything together, let the flavors start kind of getting to know each other and blend together. Cream cheese, Parmesan cheese, salt, pepper. And this is where you can experiment. So I have some cranberries. You can use raisins, whatever fruit you have on hand. I have some cranberries that I'm tossing in there. And I wanted to just experiment. I like big, bold flavors. And olives is something that I have grown to love over the years. Like, I could eat olives now. I couldn't do it a long time. Now I love olives. So I decided to experiment with some olives in this cream cheese mixture, because I think olives will just give it that nice little tarty flavor that I'm looking for. That would go very well with the Great Foods ham. So I mix in the olives and the cranberries in here. Make sure it's properly combined and mixed in. I really hope you're enjoying the recipes and recipe ideas that we're providing for you guys, because it's really about doing that, simple recipes that you can try and have on your Christmas table. Friends come over and you're impressing them like you're a big chef, when in truth and fact, you're not a chef. So simple. I have 2 ham rolls. You can use some pita rolls as well if you want to get a little fancy with this, but this is so simple that it's almost too good to be true. So I just take a little and I spread just around till you just almost reach the edges. A little bit, spread. So my advice on if you're doing this over the holidays is to pull a team. Pour some drinks and you lay out your ham and you tell everybody, take a dip and spread. You can have some fun doing it. and you spread. Once you have it spread like that evenly, all you're doing is taking a nice tight roll, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, girl, roll it, roll it, girl, roll it. Thank you, Alison Hines. Guys, this here now, what you really should ideally do, you layer this here. Just before you slice it, refrigerate it for just about, I would say about 20 minutes or so. All you really want to do in refrigerating it is to let the cream cheese kind of set back. So I had one that I refrigerated just to show you how simple now it's cool and nice and refrigerated, and it's now very, very easy just to cut down, and then you get a nice you can play with the flavors. The ham is already cooked, so it's don't have to put on a stove, you don't have to put on any fire. The ham already cooked. You can play with raisins, chop up raisins. I did some. You wouldn't believe how wonderful. If you like olives, the olives really does something very nice. Combines well with the cream cheese and the ham. Simple recipe. Try it. Put it on the table. Impress your friends. Get your weekend and get your holidays off to a great start, courtesy of the folks at Great Foods. That's how we start things and we kick things off on the show. Come on back, we have lots of fun, food, friends, and flavor to come.